Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. As a follow-up to the Breath of the Wild home screen setup, I thought I'd share with you guys a version of our legendary hero's mirrored self, Dark Link. This is going to be another one in my series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So here he is, the darkest reflection of our Triforce wielding hero, ready for battle. This is definitely one of my favorite home screens. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using Gt Widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex Installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge-to-edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. So jumping right into it, the icon pack that we're using in this setup is the Sealess White pack. And for those of you looking for a free alternative, I recommend that you check out the Minoic pack. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this stunning wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And to separate the dock icons from the wallpaper, we're going to add a black backdrop. Just simply head back into the Nova settings, home screen, dock, and click on dock background. Now simply enable it and head into custom shape. Here you'll be able to mold the background to the shape that you like. Personally, I've added curves to the top, straight on the bottom, and added padding. Next, make sure you head into the color option and choose something that you like. And as a final note, I've personally chosen to go with a low transparency setting of 3%. Next up, the Gt widget used in this setup is number 142 from my favorite pack, Miniism. Even though it's freely available from the Play Store, it's definitely one of the best packs out there. But I have to say, this widget is a little bit temperamental, so you may need to play around a bit when resizing and positioning it. Next up, the Zelda themed battery indicator hearts. This comes courtesy of Life Meter, available for free and with a handful of customization options. Just simply drag it onto your home screen like any other widget, then work your way through the app, choosing your heart design, how many hearts you want on screen, and even the alignment. This is definitely a must-have for any Zelda themed home screen. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex Installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with Dark Link's colors splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.